Welcome to Midlands Plant Training and Testing. Established by a management team with over 45 years of industry experience, MPTT provides competent professional training and testing at our site in the West Midlands. The MPTT team is fully accredited in training and testing with both the CPCS and NPAWS accreditation, NRSWA Streetworks with Smart Awards, and SQA accreditation, also offering the CITB Health and Safety touchscreen tests if required. We offer a wide range of MVQs ranging from plant and trade level 2s through to supervisory and management level 3, 6 and 7, all delivered via our own assessment team. MPTT has a dedicated workforce that includes a hand-picked team of expert trainers, testers, assessors and administration staff committed to providing expert training and advice that ensures our customers receive first-class service every time. We are professional and passionate about what we do, and this shows in the quality of our work, the candidates we've welcomed through our doors, and the clients who return to us time and time again.